Whether you call them biscuits or scones, these fluffy, low-carb cheese delights are perfect for snacking on the go and taste incredible.
He's got budget meals for families, delicious new recipes. Bring your friends over, let's make it and share. It's Nicko's kitchen where satisfying meals are prepared.
So into a large bowl, add in the almond flour along with the baking powder and a good sprinkle of white pepper. My nan always used to say the secret behind a good cheese scone isn't the cheese, it's just the right amount of pepper. Mix everything well, then add in grated cheddar cheese, grated mozzarella, and finally grated Parmesan cheese. This holy trinity of cheeses just works so well when baked. Mix it well and then add in some sour cream along with the egg. Mix everything together well until you have a thick, sticky dough. Place the mixture into an oiled muffin tray and then flatten out using a wet fork or knife. Then place into a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius or 400 Fahrenheit for around 13 to 15 minutes. They should be golden brown, and I suggest you serve them warm with butter. When you break them open, they are fluffy and juicy, making them a delicious snack on the go for those looking at low-carb alternatives. The recipe is in the video description along with all the nutritional info. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you soon for another recipe.